In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a cron job with special characters using Hostinger's H-panel. Whether you're managing website automation tasks or scheduling scripts, mastering cron jobs can be incredibly advantageous for your website management needs. Let's dive into the details and simplify the process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Hostinger homepage. Once there, simply log in using your credentials, and you'll be directed to the dashboard. This dashboard is essentially the control center for your website hosting environment, providing you access to all the essential tools and settings. After you're logged in and on the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the Websites section. You'll see this option on your left-hand menu. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a list of all your hosted websites. From here, choose the website you want to set up the cron job for. This specificity ensures that the automation processes you initiate will be directed to the appropriate domain. With your desired website selected, it's time to delve a bit deeper by clicking on the Advanced option. The advanced settings are where you'll find the tools necessary for various technical adjustments, including our focus for today, the cron jobs. It might seem a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll walk through this together. Once you've accessed the advanced settings, look for the cron jobs option. Clicking on this will bring up the configuration panel where you can establish new automated tasks. Cron jobs allow you to automate repetitive processes by scheduling script execution, which can be immensely beneficial for regular maintenance tasks or running scripts that need timely execution. In this panel, you'll notice there's an option labeled Custom. This is the feature you'll be working with to define your own specific schedule and commands. Click on Custom, and you'll have the ability to enter commands using special characters, which can be particularly useful for defining specific intervals and execution conditions. Pay attention here, as crafting the right command is essential for the task you wish to automate. Remember, cron jobs utilize a special syntax, often using a combination of asterisks and numbers to specify timing down to the minute. For example, Hammer 5 would run a script every 5 minutes. Once you've input the desired settings, don't forget to save, ensuring the cron job is properly set and will execute as planned. By following these steps, you will have successfully set up a cron job with special characters on Hostinger's H-panel. With practice, managing these tasks will become second nature, allowing you to efficiently automate portions of your workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful and clear.